TurboTax Deluxe Desktop Edition 2025 by Intuit is a comprehensive tax preparation software designed for P and Mac users. It supports both federal and state tax returns, offering a reliable solution for individuals with home ownership, charitable donations, and significant medical expenses. This version is available as a downloadable installation, compatible with Windows 11 and Mac OS Sonoma or later. The software includes 5 federal e-files and 1 state e-file via download, providing essential filing options valued at $40. It maximizes over 375 deductions and credits to help users secure the highest possible refund. Additional features include access to based technical support and an optional live tax advice service for personalized guidance during tax preparation, although this service requires an extra fee. Ideal for taxpayers with complex financial situations. TurboTax Deluxe streamlines filing while ensuring accuracy and compliance. Its robust features and expert support make it a valuable tool for maximizing returns. This edition offers a trusted, efficient way to handle your 2025 tax filing needs